Hi guys, I'm here back again. You guys, you might be asking me, how do you withdraw your money from Timebucks to your wallet or to any bank account that you have? Okay, here if you may have that kind of question, that question is answered for you over here. So what I do, I use Binance, and guys, make sure you stay tuned up to the end because I'm gonna explain on how I withdraw my money from my Bitcoin wallet to my Binance account easily, and make sure you see it up to the end because this is something not easy, but if you follow us one step at a step up to the end of the video, you're not gonna get lost.
What we're going to go through is this payment, as I've said. On the payments, to set your payment method, how you're going to be paid on your wallet, as I talked earlier on my first video to upload. I said you get paid when you reach $10, and actually in Timebucks they don't have a withdraw button. So what they do, they set payments every Tuesday every week if your wallet has $10 in it or more than $10. That is the minimum amount, it has to be $10. And when it gets to Tuesday, when you have $10, you have to get that money to your wallet. So what I want us to do, guys, let's go to settings so that we can set our payment method, and actually we choose the right and the best method, which I think is the best and the easiest. So let's go to settings. We are, guys, and this is how the settings tab look like. You have your profile, you can change your password, you can change your email, notification, and payment method. This is where I want you guys to click on the payment method. And when you come to the payment method, you can realize they are telling you here no withdrawal button. As I told you earlier, payments are sent weekly every Thursday automatically if you reach $10 minimum payout by the cutoff date, which is Tuesday 11:59. So they send your money to your wallet on Thursday, but they cut it off on Tuesday. So make sure if you want to get paid your wallet on Tuesday, it marks minimum amount $10, New York $10, and that way you're gonna get paid. Over here we can see Timebucks on the support ATM payment method, Payer, Litecoin, Bitcoin, and they don't support PayPal. Many people are used to PayPal when they are receiving their freelance money, but here they have those four methods you can receive your payment. And actually once I tried Payer, but they charged me a lot of fees to withdraw my money over there, and I decided to do Bitcoin. So when you click on get Bitcoin wallet, it will direct you directly to Coinbase, and that's not what I want, guys. Like when you click on get Bitcoin wallet, get a Bitcoin wallet, it will take you directly to Coinbase. You can create a Coinbase account. Here we are, guys, and you can see on Coinbase, here it is, the page has already loaded from Timebucks to Coinbase. So they're telling you to create your Coinbase account. For myself, I have an account over here, but I don't advise you guys to use the Coinbase wallet. What I want you guys to use is go to Binance, the Binance.com app, do your sign up there, create your account, because why I always recommend guys to use the Binance wallet is because you can withdraw your money from Timebucks to Binance, and from Binance to Mpesa easily. For Coinbase, maybe you take it to your bank account, which is maybe they charge a lot of high fees. So I really recommend Binance on my side, and it's up to you guys to decide on which side you wanna riot. So for those who choose Coinbase, well and good. For those who choose Binance, well and good. It's up to you. It's optional for you to choose, but for me, I always guide guys on using the Binance. So what we do here, since you need your wallet over here and to register your payment method with Timebucks, what we will do to get our wallet, and we don't, in case you don't want to use the Coinbase one, that is, you go to Binance.com, you register your account, and when you click on the registration button, this is where it's going to take us. they are asking you, are you a Kenyan? Yes, I'm a Kenyan. Confirm that. Then they ask you for your email, your password, and your email, your password, and you agree to their services. After that, you can log in and everything. And after keying your details, that's your email, your password, just click I have agreed the Binance terms and services and create an account. After that, it's going to direct you to your mobile. This is where you're supposed to put your phone number. Like in case this is Kenya, you put your number and you put your password. That's your optional password that you want to be using for your Binance. Make sure you don't forget your password. You put something that you can remember easily. Then you click on create account. So after you create account with them, you can just go to the login button. Since in my case I had an account, I'm just going to click on the login button. Let's wait for it to load. And on login, you can put in your email and your password, and after that you can just click on the login. So it's up to you guys to put everything. Okay, then click on the login. Like on myself, I gonna click login. So it's gonna take some few minutes. Here we are, guys, and this is what after logging in you're going to see a puzzle. They will tell you to slide the puzzle and complete it. That's what I'm trying to do here. We try to do it again. Then it will be verified. After that, they take me to the next page. You can see the next page is about verification, so I'm going to hit on get code, and that will be sent to my phone number. That's on my phone, and I'm gonna put that in. After keying in your details, that's the verification code, and you submit it successfully, this is the page you're going to see. And actually what I want you guys to do, since we are interested with the Bitcoin wallet, what I want you guys to do is you go to the wallet button. This is the wallet, and click on overview. Here we are, guys, and what I want you guys to do, just click on the deposit part, because we want to deposit our money from Timebucks to Binance. So what we need that Bitcoin wallet address. So what I want you guys to do on crypto, go to crypto deposit. Here we are, as you can see. So what we are going to choose, remember we want a Bitcoin wallet. We don't need Ethereum, we don't need USDT, we don't need BNB, we don't need EOS, we just need a BTC wallet. So click on BTC. Okay, they are telling us to select a coin. So what we gonna do over here, choose the BTC. I want you guys to choose the BTC wallet. That's a BTC wallet, and choose your network. I always recommend people to choose the Bitcoin wallet. And after that, you will be able to see your address. So in my case here, this is my Coinbase wallet. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy that address, and I'm going to go back to my Timebucks payment method. This is the Bitcoin. Over here you can see they had already told us if you don't have a Bitcoin wallet, just click over here and that takes you to Coinbase, and this is not what I want. Since I need a Binance Bitcoin wallet address, I just copied mine from my Binance, and this is what I want to do next. So I'm gonna choose here the payment method. Hope you guys are listening. Bitcoin, and my address, I'm gonna copy my address over here. After that I update my payment method, and that is going to be updated. They're telling me to put a password for me to. So after doing that, guys, after updating your payment method, myself I had already done that, you will go back to your Binance account. This is where we are, and when you go to your wallet, let's go to wallet, then overview. So what I want you guys to check at, always come to your Bitcoin wallet and make sure your Timebucks has sent you your money over here. If not, you can just contact their customer services, and there's a way you can just ask them about your payment. Your payment is going to count over here, and remember, Bitcoin always change in prices. Today it can be higher, tomorrow it can be low, so your amount will bear with the change, or the change in the market. If the prices are low, if the prices are high, maybe your money gonna be a lot than $10, or your money gonna be less than $10, depending on the price of the Bitcoin at that particular day you get credited on your account. So after you get your money on your wallet, you can choose to withdraw, you can choose to trade, you can choose to earn, and you can choose to convert your money. So what I want you to select here, of course you're earning on Timebucks to withdraw. For the moment, you can also choose the other part if you're good at on those, or if you know how the other buttons works. So what I wanted to talk about is how you can get your money to Mpesa. So you can choose on withdraw process, you can withdraw your money, you can select a coin, just choose Bitcoin, you can just put the address you wanna withdraw to, or what. If you don't wanna withdraw to any Bitcoin address, you can withdraw to fiat if you want the cash on hand. And when you click on fiat, so here we are. Like you can see over here, we can be able to withdraw our Kenya shilling money. You're going to see an option for Mpesa, where you can withdraw your money from Mpesa from P2P, from P2P side. This is where you're able to withdraw your money with another person who is in Kenya. Maybe he's in Kenya, and you can be able to withdraw your money over there from your wallet to Kenya shilling. So it's up to you guys to choose on the currency. If you choose the Kenya shilling over here, if you're in Kenya, if you're in Nigeria, you can be able to withdraw your money also in Nigeria. It's up to you guys to choose on the kind of method you want to withdraw at. On fiat method, you can also withdraw at your bank. So on fiat, there are two ways you can receive your money. You can receive your money to your bank or to your Mpesa. So it's up to you guys to choose the option you want to withdraw. In my case, I don't want to withdraw right now, so I just don't want to show you on how to do it. If actually you don't want to use the website side of the Binance, you can use your mobile app. You can download this from Play Store, and
put and have this app on your phone, and it will be easy for you to do the transaction, maybe from your Mpesa to everything, because it's easy to copy paste. If you're doing a P2P transaction, that's maybe from your wallet address to your Mpesa. So try it guys, it's up to you, and it's gonna be